Hi, my name's Katie and I work for the RSC in the Membership Development team. I'm a member of the RSC at MRSC level, and what that means is that I obtained my degree in chemical sciences more than 3 years ago and have spent 3 years in employment and developing postgraduate professional skills. One of the most important things about RSC membership for practicing professional chemical scientists is the routes to professional development that are available. This includes undergoing the schemes to become chartered and obtain Chartered Chemist status. And what follows now is a short video describing the process to achieve Chartered Chemist status and the benefits of doing so.
This is an independent, externally reviewed professional development programme, recognised by the Society for my profession.
I decided to apply for Chartered Chemist status because of what it represents, which is basically professional competence, expertise in your scientific area, showing that you've got key skills, knowledge, influence and impact. Anything really that any professional would aspire to have.
Continued professional development component of that really helps you demonstrate that you're doing more than just doing the science, and you're developing other skills, so that when I came back that helped me with my employability.
The qualification is a bonus on my CV. There's a crowded job market out there and I wanted a unique selling point, and the qualification gives me that.
The field is changing so quickly these days that if you don't embark on continuous professional development, a year down the line, and certainly 5 years down the line, your skills will not be valid and you won't be able to perform at an adequate level.
The company itself would also be extremely proud of its CChems in-house, because they can say that they've got scientists of the highest quality who have this professional qualification, so it would be internal and external recognition of the fact that they invest in their training and development of staff.
For our customers, it shows that I have a professional level of expertise that's recognised internationally.
It's important to me to know that my skills are being validated by my peers from the chemical industry, and that they recognise my skills and they recognise that I'm able and qualified to practice chemistry.
Anybody going through the Chartered Chemist process needs to assign themselves a mentor who is also a Chartered Chemist themselves. My mentor worked closely with me, and for that we mapped my current training with the 12 attributes. He was able to look at that and see where the gaps were for me to develop, and so that helped me to attain the status.
One of the requirements is to work within the wider scientific community, and to address this I actually visited a local infant school and went to teach science for the day. And for me the best part of the whole day was the difference between the morning, where I just asked who would like to be a scientist, and there were a few frightened faces and a few hands, to at the end of the day when I asked the same question and there was a complete show of hands from all the children. So I feel like I've sowed a seed for a love of science at a very young age.
For me personally, to have that, if I work through that process and are able to get that qualification, it would be a great achievement for me, and yeah, something I'll be proud of, certainly.
So it makes you come across as somebody who's prepared to take his career by the scruff of the neck and drag it to where he wants it to go. That comes across on many levels, not just as a chemist with skills, but as a person who cares about his career.